Hey guys, so these are the maternity clothes my husband bought for me, and I'm gonna be opening them and trying them on. Let's go.
Different styles, different colors.
Thank you so much.
I hope that you like them.
Okay guys, first package, opening. What color am I seeing inside? Blue?
Yes, Lord.
Okay. Wow. This is beautiful color. I'm going to first of all open the whole thing. Baby, this looks like the other one I tried on the other day, but different color.
Yeah, that's what I said. Different styles, different designs, and
I can't wait to try it on.
different designs and different colors.
This one looks so beautiful. Okay, so let's see another one. Oh, oh my gosh! What is this? Boo.
Yes, Lord. See, he said
Oh
different
my
colors, different styles.
guys, this is so beautiful. You got this to tie on the back, and you got this. This is the hand, and I feel like the front is open. And wow, it looks nice, and I like the length. It's long. I think I'm gonna try this one on first.
Wait until you open all of them.
Okay, how many here? Oh, 3. This one and this one looks the same. We'll see.
What happened to you?
Oh, this.
Sorry.
Maybe this is the first short one I'm seeing. Looks good. It's entirely different design altogether. Oh,
That's what I said, different colors.
oh. Which one is the front and which one is the back?
Maybe you figure it out.
What is this?
You figure it out by the time you start
Show me
trying
what
to find
it
it
is.
on. Sorry.
Okay, you guys, let me show you, because this is the back. It has zip at the back, and this is the front. And this is another one. Hey, black. I got black. This is the first black. Okay, short. Short with long sleeve, and I like the design at the front. What's that? So that's the 5th one. Let's open the last package and can see yellow here. That's yellow. Oh, baby, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the bottom clothes. Plus the 2 I tried on already. So, okay, let's open the yellow one up.
All for you, my love.
This is the 5th one. Okay. Yellow looks good on me. Oh,
Definitely.
maybe
That will look good on you.
it's a little bit stretchy, but with my tummy, usually I'm gonna fit in. If I don't fit in after childbirth, I'm gonna fit in, so it's okay. I can't wait to try this on. This is the 7th one. Oh, this one looks different, baby. It didn't look like you bought this one. This one looks like Maria Amaka. That looks like something my mom would wear.
That's why I said I got you different styles, different designs, different colors.
How would this look on me? I think it's gonna look beautiful. So this one is very, very different from what I have already. And
Yeah, that one is giving a Mera Mata vibe.
yeah, this is the 8th one and the last one. They are also colorful and I like them. Oh, this short one. Oh, this one go only one hand. Okay, something different as well. Different color. I don't know. No belt. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is it all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome, man. Yeah,